fine.
I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Who wore batik in the past?
Japanese people wore batik in the past.
Where did the inspiration come from then?
There were princesses all over the world.
What is the difference between batik worn by royalty and worn by common people?
Other scholars disagree that batik was only used by royalty, as they think it was also common by peoples.
Okay, let's get back to the studies. Good morning, I am Shannon reporting for Venice International School Report. I am now with a student of Venice International School Report. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Peter Shane.
How do you feel when you first made your batik?
I felt like excited.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is batik most common?
Batik is most common in the island of Java.
What does batik mean in Malaysia?
Batik means you don't want to work in Malaysia.
Why is batik important for a young lady?
It is important because young lady must be capable